Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to illuminate your 3D world with some awesome lighting techniques. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering lighting can take your 3D artwork to the next level. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about different types of lighting. Ambient lighting, it simulates overall scene illumination, giving you a base layer of light. Say, diffuse lighting. This one scatters light on your object surfaces, making them look more natural. Specular lighting. Think of shiny reflective surfaces, it adds those crisp highlights. Directional lighting simulates light from a specific direction, like the sun or a strong lamp. Point lighting. It's like a single light bulb, illuminating from one point. And finally, spotlighting. It gives you focused light, perfect for that dramatic spotlight effect. Now let's move on to some lighting techniques that can make your scenes pop. Three-point lighting is a classic, using three lights to create depth and dimension. High-key lighting is all about bright, even lighting to minimize shadows. Low-key lighting, on the other hand, uses dramatic, contrasting light to create mood. Backlighting adds light behind your subject to create depth and separation. And rim lighting highlights the edges of your subject, making them stand out against the background. When it comes to software, there are some great tools you can use. Blender, a fantastic 3D creation software with built-in lighting tool. Maya, known for its powerful animation and rendering capabilities. 3D Syskins, Max Perfect for modeling, animation, rendering and visualization. And LuxCore, an open-source rendering software with advanced lighting features. Alright, let's wrap it up with some best practices. Balance. Ensure you balance light and dark areas to create visual interest. Contrast. Use contrasting lighting to separate subjects from backgrounds. Color. Don't be afraid to use colored lights to set the mood and atmosphere. Intensity. Adjust the light intensity to achieve the effect you want. And most importantly, experimentation. Keep experimenting with different setups to find what works best for your scene. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more 3D tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and let your light shine bright. Cheers!